Before we import any media, it's very important to set up our project folder properly. A good folder setup helps keep everything organized and prevents missing files or confusion later. Here, I've created a main project folder named Project File Class. Inside this folder, I have created three simple folders: audio, graphics and images, and video. Let me explain why this folder setup is essential. First, the video folder. Inside the video folder, I've created three folders. These folders are used to store all raw video footage. In the B folder, I placed all the videos related to bee farming. In the green screen folder, I stored all the clips shot on green screen. And the mix folder contains videos from different mixed categories. Keeping all video files in one place helps Premiere Pro link files correctly and avoids missing media issues. Next is the audio folder. This folder is for background music, voiceover recordings, sound effects, and any external audio files. Separating audio from video makes it easier to manage sound during editing. Then we have the graphics and images folder. This folder is used for logos, photos, thumbnails, PNG files, JPG images, and any graphic elements. If you are adding titles, logos, or images, this folder keeps everything organized. This simple folder structure helps us in many ways. It keeps the project clean, makes importing faster, and prevents confusion later. When we import media into Premiere Pro, we always import files from these folders. That way, Premiere knows exactly where everything is stored. If we ever move the project to another computer or take a backup, we just copy this main project folder and nothing goes missing. This is a professional habit used by editors all over the world. Even small projects become easier to manage when folders are organized properly. Once this folder setup is ready, we are fully prepared to open Premiere Pro, import our media, and start editing smoothly.